So, intellectual property refers to the creations of one's own intellect. So, when you are using your own knowledge or intellect and creating something, or it can be an invention, it can be anything, it can be music, it can be a drawing, it can be a photograph or anything. So, when you are using your own intellect and producing something, that is called intellectual property. So, intellectual property rights are the rights which protects this intellectual property. So, intellectual property rights will guarantee the creators or the owners of intellectual property an exclusive right to use them for their own commercial benefit or for the purpose of anything. For the benefit of commercial, no individual can use those inventions or the products or for any other purposes. And intellectual property rights will protect this intellectual property of individuals. The intellectual property rights, if you see, they are categorized into two kinds. The one is industrial property, and second one is copyrights. Okay, industrial property is again categorized into four types. First one is patents, second one is trademarks, third one is industrial designs, fourth geographical indications. Then if you see the copyrights, copyrights are granted for original literary, artistic, dramatic works, music recordings, cinematograph, films. So copyrights subsist in all these works. So industrial designs refers to the ornamental and aesthetic qualities or aesthetic aspects of a particular products. Then if you see it also included the patterns, lines, color, shape, packaging, everything of a product. Generally it increases the ornamental or aesthetic value of a particular product. So packaging also includes in the industrial designs. So all the products which can be a movable, non-movable, consumable product, whatever it may be, it will have a kind of industrial design which is been assigned to a particular product. So all these industrial designs are valid for 10 years. Generally, these industrial designs, those adds some kind of value to the product. For example, if an article is more attractive, then the consumers may try to buy the product. These industrial designs are applied to a wide variety of products, including the jewelry, textile designs, medical equipment, instruments which are used, houseware appliances, and all those goods, etc., whatever it may be. So all of them will have their own kind of designs. So these industrial designs, once they get the certificate, those kind of designs cannot be made by the other individuals which are there in the same market. Industrial designs are ornamental and aesthetic aspects of a product which are applied to a wide variety of products from the home appliances, electrical appliances to jewelry, watches, all those things which are included, which have their own industrial designs, and it is granted the same the Controller General of Industrial Designs under the Ministry of uh, Commerce and Industry. There they have an office, and the Controller General of Trademarks, Industrial Designs and Patents. He is the one who issues certificate of industrial design to the company or an individual. Then it is valid for 10 years.